We continue our sail around Denmark's beautiful nature while waiting for the world to open up. We are leaving Kolding. It's a beautiful morning, a little bit later than usually. So I'm gonna go find a nice fishing spot after breakfast and see if we can find some dinner today. Afterwards, we're gonna sail on and drop the anchor around Fyn. Yeah, it's not far, but just to get out of a marina is going to be a nice break out in the nature. So it's lovely here. And the weather is looking like it's going to be nice for the next week or so, so that's great. En sæl, vi er sælen. Så den kommer op igen.
En selfie.
Kan du ligesom se, der er sådan nogle ringe i vandet? Sebastian, prøv at se der. Derovre, hvor der er sådan nogle ringe i vandet. Den kommer garanteret op igen lige om lidt. There's a lot of seals right here. We're
Beautiful.
beautiful. What'd you say?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. That's well said, honey. Hey, Bassman.
Hi.
We didn't catch anything, but the nature around here is just stunning. And with weather like this, it was perfect conditions to send up the drone to get some footage. We just bought a new drone, and we practiced landing it by catching it in the air. Og I har lavet en bålplads der, Sebastian?
Og moster.
Og moster?
Moster er bare de tungeste.
Ja, og hvad skal vi bruge den til?
Vi laver bål.
Ja, og hvorfor laver vi bål?
Fordi vi skal lave snobrød.
No.
I'm not useless. I can make fire and open jaws and kill spiders.
Yeah, that's what we need that for. Spiders, jars, and fire. Sailing doesn't have to be more primitive than we can always have coffee anywhere.
And
Because no coffee, no sailing. Then we're gonna go home.
chocolates.
Chocolates, no chocolates.
Jeg kan lave cheeks.
Yeah, we have chocolate biscuits. Yeah.
Anybody said coffee?
Me. The area isn't this that large. It's just a small area. So we're just walking around a little bit. Gonna sit down. I think she's trying to cut her name into the wood here. This is much better than playing iPad or playing some kind of computer game at home. This is way better. It is Saturday, late morning, I think it's called. It's around 10 or something, and we just left. I'm not sure what the anchorage was. But it was nice. I'm really bad with those names, so but we just we're on our way to Boer in Fyn. So just a few hours sail, and then we're gonna anchor up there for the night and go explore or something. There's some beach and some wood. Yeah, so the kids can come play. And other than that, we're just enjoying the lovely weather. It's awesome. Look at this. Very sunny. There's not a lot of wind in the right direction right now, so we are motoring. But that's okay. So we just took the sails down. And yeah, all's good. So this will be our playground for tonight. kids are gonna love this beach in the woods. And I think maybe you can buy ice cream over there in this small marina. So, lovely little spot we found here on Boer. It's hard work steering the boat. It's on autopilot, so, and there's no other boats in sight anywhere, so it's hard. We left Boer and now we're just looking for somewhere that looks nice to anchor up for the rest of the day and tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see what we find. We're very flexible, no real plans, so that's easy.
Is duckling?
Duckling.
Hej! Det er Eva.
And where we ended up was Jylland Island, a lovely tiny island with just one house.
Hello. Look. Big.
She's struggling for words. She's trying to say that she found a really big, what's it called?
You're struggling for words now?
Stonified, what's it called?
Show it.
It's this. I'm not sure what it's called in English, but it's like, it's an animal that's been turned into stone. A sea animal, it's like,
Really big.
yeah, it's big. It's much bigger than any I ever found when I was a
It's
kid.
sea animal.
Yeah, it's a sea animal. It's I'm not sure what it's called. We are at Jylland, and we just built a fire.
I'm trying to do some aerial
Tom is
footage.
trying to do some.
You can
yeah. Yeah. Some drone footage. And we're waiting for the sun to come down so that once the sun is down, we have the fire for warm. And we're gonna watch the stars from this beach and see if we can find some amber in the water with an UV light. The kids love it. The big kids are playing. They are trying to throw an axe against a piece of wood, make it stick. They're not really good at it. They're really not very good at it. Woo! She knocked it over. I'm not sure it's stuck, but she knocked it over. At least she hit it then. Well done, sis. Yeah, Amazon woman. Way to go. That's my sister. We're building a big fire.
Gotcha! Det hjælper.
Oh yeah, big kids. Small kids left. They went somewhere that direction. I'm not sure where they're going, but I believe they're having fun, so that's good. They'll be back when it's dark.
There's one thing left for making your sister a man.
My sister's not a man, she's a woman.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting cold.
There's one thing left.
Mm-hmm. I'm not sure why Torben is trying to make my sister a guy. Whiskey.
It's cool.
I think his lack of male friends around is making him...
Can I borrow your sister for a second?
He's making him grasp for straws here. Yeah. Gotta settle for what you got.
That's a good one.
I hate whiskey. After about a week at anchor at different locations, we sailed to Svendborg to get some provisions, do some boat work, and pick up Katja and Kurt again. Ja, Bona Vista, Marstal. Ja. Godt nok flot.
Skal den bruge lige fremme, jeg tænker?
Ja.
We will stay in Svendborg for a few days before sailing to tour in our next episode. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.